Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest in bikes and cars. Today, we're diving into the freshly updated 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350, a cruiser that blends timeless design with modern refinement. Whether you're a weekend rider or a daily commuter, the new Meteor promises a smooth, laid-back riding experience. So let's find out what's new and whether it's worth your attention this year. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Meteor 350 retains its classic cruiser silhouette, but introduces fresh colour schemes and subtle cosmetic tweaks. Royal Enfield has refined the paint finish and detailing, giving it a more premium and cohesive look. The teardrop fuel tank, round LED headlamp, and chrome touches all stay true to its retro charm. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the Meteor continues with the reliable 349 cubic centimetre, single-cylinder, air oil-cooled engine, delivering around 20.2 horsepower and 27 newton-meters of torque. While the engine remains unchanged, Royal Enfield has fine-tuned the fueling and throttle response for smoother acceleration. The 5-speed gearbox continues to offer a relaxed cruising experience, especially at mid-range speeds. Ride and comfort. The Meteor's low seat height, upright posture, and refined suspension setup make it ideal for long rides. The front telescopic forks and rear twin shocks absorb road imperfections effortlessly, offering a plush ride quality. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting open highways, comfort is where the Meteor excels. Tech and features. Royal Enfield keeps things simple yet smart. The Tripper navigation system is now standard across all variants. The semi-digital instrument cluster gives you essential ride data with a clean, easy-to-read layout. USB charging and Bluetooth connectivity add a touch of modern convenience without overwhelming the retro vibe. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. It simply refines what already works. It's perfect for riders who crave style, simplicity, and reliability. For more in-depth bike reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Next Gen Reviews. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.